I'm honored today to be recognized by the Legal Aid Society for this Leadership Award. I know that there's a lot of attorneys in Collier County who do pro bono work, either on their own or through the Legal Aid Society. And I'm very proud of our attorneys in our community, and I'm also very proud to be affiliated with our Legal Aid Society. I'm a personal injury lawyer, but as a baby lawyer in my early years of practice in Michigan, I cut my teeth handling a lot of the legal aid cases. My first boss was a state bar president, and before the ink was even dry on my bar license, he signed me up to take cases through our local legal aid office in Michigan. So I was handling juvenile dependency cases a half a day a week, many of them which ended up in parental termination hearings and trials. And I was also representing people who had been Baker Acted, and there was competency hearings in regards to mental issues. So as a baby lawyer, I learned how to work up a case, how to interview witnesses, and how to conduct myself in court on a much smaller scale than a lot of the big personal injury cases that my law firm was handling. I also learned as a baby lawyer to give back to the community, and I think it's very important. Our local legal aid office handles a variety of cases, but primarily it is in 6 different areas. It's in family law, it's in consumer law, which includes collections and contract and small claims. It's also in employment law, it's in bankruptcy, it's in guardianship and elder law and juvenile dependency and housing law, which is landlord-tenant. And you may be thinking, well, those are not your areas of practice, and you may be thinking that you really don't have experience to handle those types of claims. But I think that you would find that for the most part, most of them are not very complicated. And what you learned in law school and what you know as an attorney handling your own types of cases, and just in general, even if you have to talk to somebody else, you would be able to handle those. So I urge every attorney in Collier County to take at least 1 pro bono case a year. Just think about it. If we all took just 1 pro bono case a year from legal aid, that would significantly lighten the load of our overworked attorneys. I also urge a lot of the law firm partners to do what my mentors did. Sign those young lawyers up in your office to take legal aid cases pro bono. Do what my first bosses did. Sign them up, get them into court while they're baby lawyers and before they fear the court. Have them interview witnesses, have them learn a lot of that stuff. I think you will find that a lot of the clients through legal aid are your waitress in your favorite restaurant, they're your dry cleaning lady, they're your lawn care guy, they're your babysitter. They're regular people working long, hard hours who just can't afford our expensive hourly rates. So once again, I'd like to thank Legal Aid for this recognition. I also like to thank our Collier Bar. Thank you.